Hello traders, if you're searching for the best Forex brokers in Germany for 2026, you've come to the right place. Forex trading in Germany is gaining momentum as more traders tap into global currency markets. From Berlin to Frankfurt, Munich, and Hamburg, retail traders are exploring opportunities in currency trading, indices, commodities, and CFDs. With advanced online platforms, competitive spreads, and easy account access, Forex trading has become increasingly accessible to both part-time traders and experienced market participants. However, selecting the right broker is essential for long-term success. Many traders ask, is Forex trading legal in Germany? Yes. The Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, known as BaFin, oversees financial markets and ensures brokers operate transparently and securely. German traders also benefit from European Union regulations under ESMA, which include investor protections such as negative balance protection and standardized leverage limits. Whether you choose a broker regulated locally or internationally, make sure they offer strong oversight, fund security, and transparent policies. Here are the best Forex brokers in Germany for 2026. FP Markets, 8cap, Tickmill, IC Markets, FX Pro, FBS, Focus Markets, XM, AXI, HFM. You'll find the direct link in the description below to open an account with one of the top-rated brokers for 2026. Now, let's briefly explore what makes each broker stand out. First, FP Markets. Regulated by ASIC and SISEC, and offers competitive spreads with fast execution. It offers MT4 and MT5 platforms with deep liquidity. Second, 8cap. 8cap offers transparent pricing and robust platform integration, with access to MT4 and MT5. It's a strong choice for traders focused on efficiency and performance. At number 3 is Tickmill. Tickmill is known for tight spreads and low commissions. With strong regulatory oversight and smooth trade execution, it's favored by cost-conscious traders. Number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets is widely regarded for ultra-low spreads and deep liquidity with support for MT4, MT5, and K-Trader. It's ideal for scalpers and algorithmic traders who need fast execution. At number 5, FX Pro. FX Pro provides multiple platform options, including MT4 and MT5, with flexible account types. Its stable execution and broad market access make it suitable for diverse trading styles. Coming in at number 6 is FBS. FBS is ideal for beginner traders due to its low minimum deposit requirements and flexible account choices. It also offers educational resources that appeal to new market participants. Number 7 is XM. XM offers a wide range of instruments including Forex, indices, commodities, and shares. With strong global presence and multilingual support, it continues to attract retail traders across Europe. Rounding out our list at number 8, we have Focus Markets. Focus Markets is known for competitive spreads and fast trade execution. With advanced tools and transparent pricing, it's well suited for active and technical traders. Number 9, we have AXI. AXI focuses on competitive spreads and fast execution supported by reliable infrastructure. It delivers a stable trading environment suitable for both new and experienced traders. Number 10 on our list is HFM. HFM offers flexible leverage and accessible deposit options under strong regulatory frameworks. With a range of instruments and account types, it supports both new and experienced traders. Always check for proper regulation, trading costs, platform options, and support. Try demo accounts first to see which broker fits your style best. These are simple steps that can save you a lot of trouble later. That's our list of the best Forex brokers for Germany for 2026. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.